how to sell an item on Steam Market. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to become a seller on the market of Steam. Now please keep watching until the end. First thing, go to Steam. This is the home page as you can see. Now click here on this community option and you will find market. Now after you click on it, it will take you to this page, and here as you can see you will find the people that are selling things, for example like those options. You can also just see newly listed as you can see, and if you want to sell an item you have to click here, but this option is not available. You must have a Steam purchase that is between 7 days and a year old, with no recent chargeback or payment disputes. Steam support cannot remove this restriction. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.